In this demonstration, we're using VertexFX eBroker, which is one of the VertexFX traders' main value-add services, shipped with the system to perform multi-account trading capabilities. First thing you need to do is to add all clients you want to trade on their behalf by clicking on Add Account icon or by right-click anywhere on the Accounts window, then click on Add Account. Fill the required information for each client such as username, password, the account ID, and the company's name. If you want to, you can save the account information or make it log in automatically whenever you start the VertexFX eBroker. The Market Watch displays all the currencies available for your clients so you trade on their behalf. By right-click on any client on the Accounts window, you could select the Market Watch that's available for that client that previously configured by the dealing room. You can use the con icon to filter and search for any currency.